Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you guys have probably seen the title of the video, sorry I had to clickbait you guys into watching this, but the Civic has no actual mechanical problems. There are just a few imperfections that I want to get fixed on it, and that's what we're going to go do today. So since buying this Civic Type R, my only personality on this channel is having a clap 240 and Rega Masters on my Civic. In the few clips earlier, you guys probably seen that I'm already back on my stock wheels. So there are a few imperfections about the car that I do want to get addressed today. So these are my original Rega Masters right here, and so if you guys can see by the tread pattern, you guys can kind of already see that these tires are already pretty much done and it was time to put some new rubber on. But instead of buying a whole new set of 4 tires, I just decided to put the stock tires back on. But there is a slight problem with one of my wheels right now. So if you guys can see right here, this is where I have the most baby bend I've ever seen, and it really bothers me. So we're gonna go get this replaced today. And I have a spare wheel over here, but it's literally covered by the rest of them, so I'm gonna have to grab these. And I feel really trashy just riding around in town without a skid plate. So a few months ago, before I moved down here, I accidentally hit a gopher. So this is my tarnished up old skid plate. And I just got a brand new skid plate from the dealership from Honda, just so I can throw it on here now. It makes me feel a lot better. Here's my pristine wheel, so hopefully it should just be as easy as just getting the wheel swapped out. Since these cars don't use TPMS sensors, this should be a breeze. Best thing about owning a hatchback, being able to fit everything back here. I would do these in my own garage, but the 240 is already occupying space, and if you guys have already seen, it's a 240, so obviously it doesn't run already. With that being said, we're gonna go do all of this work over at Santi's house. And if you guys don't know who he is, he's already been featured in my last video and has his own YouTube channel as well if you guys want to check it out. And he's already been a really big help to both of my cars. So I just pulled up to Santi's house. He's not gonna be too much in the video because he's actually working on something else right now. He is working on taking off all of the gloss finish on these gauge pillars, but I do appreciate the garage space I get to use for today. So I'm also going to be removing the white pinstripe today. I went over it with the white pinstripe a few videos back, but since I have the stock wheels back on, I personally just find it really funky looking with the red and the white pinstripes clashing together. But before we start anything, we're gonna go ahead and go get this wheel replaced with this one, just so I can get my OCD fixed out of the way. We just got back from the dealership and we just got the new wheel replaced, and having a new wheel definitely just makes me feel a lot better that I don't have any bends in it. But that's just some really nitpicky things that I just personally just wanted done. And the next thing I want to get put on is I want to put on the OEM skid plate. I picked this up at one of the local dealerships around here because I've been riding with that one for the past few months, and I can just imagine how dirty it is getting under here. So it's gonna make me feel a lot better once I have the new one on. I picked up some new hardware from the Honda dealer as well. These are OEM clips and screws that go directly for the skid plate. Now this has been bothering me ever since I put my stock wheels back on, is the red pinstripe the stock wheels come with and how I put a white pinstripe over my red one. So for the time being, I think I'm going to remove all the white pinstripe just so the whole car can flow together. I hate taking this off, but look how satisfying this is to peel off. Oh, messed up. That is going to wrap up this video for me. I really wanted to record some more. I had some rock guards and I have a little blemish in the carbon fiber hood that I wanted to get cleared up tonight, but I just don't have enough time. But I'm really glad about the 2 things I got done today. I'm gonna wrap it up for here tonight, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.